In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make viral claymation parody animations for completely free, even if you've never animated anything in your life. You're probably thinking this requires expensive software, design skills, or hours of work. It doesn't. I'm going to show you one free AI tool that does 90% of the work for you in minutes. This exact style of video is blowing up right now. One TikTok page using this format has 13 million views on a single video. Another creator switched from scary stories, which were getting barely any views, to this animation style, and their views went up 100x. An Instagram page with just 7 posts hit 190k followers and 4 million views per video. By the end of this video, you'll have your first Claymation parody video ready to upload, step by step, tool by tool. And since almost nobody is doing this on YouTube yet, you're getting in early. Let's build it. Now the good news is, you don't need animation skills to make these videos. I already prepared a full prompt that basically does most of the work for you. It generates viral video ideas, story structure, scene descriptions, character details, and even dialogue for the animation. I'll leave the prompt resource below so you can copy it later. But first, let me show you how this actually works. Go to Claude AI and paste the prompt in. Once you hit enter, it will instantly generate multiple viral video ideas based on this claymation style. From there, we'll take one of those ideas and turn it into a full animation step by step. So now you've got your topic. Copy it exactly as Claude wrote it, word for word, because the wording matters for the next step. Paste it back into Claude's prompt box and hit send again. This time, Claude is going to generate 10 image prompts for you. These are detailed text descriptions of each scene or character in your video. These image prompts are the foundation of your entire animation. Each one tells the AI exactly what to draw: the character, the style, the expression, the background. You don't have to write any of this yourself. Claude does it for you. To generate our images, we're using Pipit AI. The link is in the description, and when you sign up through it, you get free credits to start. Once you're in, before you paste anything, you need to set it up correctly, and this matters, so don't skip this part. First, click the settings icon, then click Create Image. Now set your aspect ratio to 9:16. That's the vertical format for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. If you get this wrong, your images will come out the wrong size, and you'll have to redo them. Next, click the model option and select Nano Banana. This is the model that gives you that soft, clay-like texture that makes these videos look the way they do. The default model won't give you that look, so make sure you switch it. Now go back to Claude, copy the first image prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and hit the arrow button to generate. Click Confirm, and a new tab will open where your images start rendering. Within seconds, you'll have 4 different versions of that scene, all based on the exact prompt Claude wrote. Your first image is done. You've got 4 variations in front of you. Look through them and pick the one that looks most like a claymation character. That's your reference image, and this next step is important. Before you generate image 2, reset your settings. Aspect ratio 9:16, model set to Nano Banana. You have to do this for every image because the tool resets between generations. Now here's the step that keeps your whole video looking consistent. See the best image you just generated? There's a button underneath it that says Add as Chat. Click that. The image will upload into your prompt box as a reference. What this does is tell the AI, keep this character's face, body, and style exactly the same for the next image. This is how you make sure your character doesn't look like a completely different person in every scene. Without this step, your video will look inconsistent and viewers will notice. Once your reference image is loaded, go back to Claude, copy image prompt number 2, come back, paste it into the prompt box alongside the reference image, and hit generate. Within seconds, your second image is ready. 4 variations again, same character, new scene. From here, the process is the same for every image. Best variation becomes your reference. Next prompt goes in, generate, repeat, until all 10 images are done. I'm going to run through mine quickly so you can see the full set come together. Watch how the character stays consistent across every single scene. Once all your images are generated, scroll up to see the full set. You'll have 4 variations for each of your 10 prompts. For each prompt, pick the single best variation, the one where the character looks most consistent and the scene reads clearly. Click the download button underneath it. Make sure you select the option to download without watermark. That option appears right below the download button, and it's free to use. Go through each prompt one by one and download your best image. By the end, you'll have 10 clean images, 1 per scene, ready for the next step. Now we're turning those 10 images into actual video clips, and this is where it starts looking like a real animation. Go back to Claude. Remember that master prompt we used at the very beginning? It was built in 2 phases. The first phase gave you image prompts. The second phase gives you video prompts, 1 for each scene. All you have to do is type yes and hit send. Claude will immediately generate 10 video prompts that match your images, describing exactly how each scene should move, what the camera should do, and how the character should animate. These video prompts are what we feed into the image-to-video tool in the next step. To convert our images into video clips, we're using Meta AI, and it's completely free. Go to Meta AI and click Create. A prompt box will appear. Click the plus icon to upload your first image, then paste in your first video prompt from Claude and hit Generate. That's the whole process. Within seconds, your still image becomes a moving Claymation clip. One thing to know before you start: Meta AI handles the animation, but it doesn't add voiceover. We'll handle audio in the next step, so don't worry about that yet. Just focus on getting all 10 clips generated first. The pattern is simple: upload the image, paste its matching prompt, generate, move to the next one. Keep your Claude tab open so you can copy each video prompt in order and make sure every image gets its correct prompt. Mixing them up will break the visual flow. I'm going to run through all 10 now. Watch how each image comes to life. All 10 clips are ready. Now let's download them without the Meta AI watermark. And yes, this is completely free. Meta AI doesn't give you a direct watermark-free download button, so we use a browser extension to get around it. Extension link is in the description. Add it to your browser in one click. It takes about 10 seconds. Once it's installed, go back to Meta AI and click on the first video you want to download. You'll now see the extension button appear. Click it, then click Download. Your clip will save without any watermark. Repeat that for each of your 10 clips. Click the video, hit the extension button, download, that's it. Once all your clips are downloaded, you have everything you need. 10 watermark-free Claymation video clips, each one animated and ready to edit. Next, we're putting them together and adding voiceover. Now we need a voiceover. Go back to Claude and type exactly this. Generate a voiceover script for this video, separated by scene, and hit send. Claude will give you a clean, scene-by-scene voiceover script that matches your 10 clips perfectly. Before you copy it, quickly clean it up. Remove any scene labels, headers, or directions that Claude added. You only want the spoken words. If you paste in stage directions, your AI voice will read them out loud, and it'll sound terrible. Once it's clean, copy the full script. Now go to Fish Audio, the link is in the description, and sign up for free. Click text-to-speech, then paste your script into the text box. Now click the plus icon to browse the voice library. There are dozens of AI voices to choose from: male, female, different accents and styles. Listen to a few previews and pick the one that fits your video's tone best. Click Use on your chosen voice, and you'll be taken to the generation screen. Hit Generate, wait a few seconds, then download your voiceover file. You now have everything: 10 animated Claymation clips and a voiceover. The last step is putting it all together in the editor. Last step, editing. Open CapCut, the link is in the description. Click Import and bring in two things: all 10 of your Meta AI video clips and the voiceover file you downloaded from Fish Audio. Start by dragging your voiceover onto the timeline first. Play it through once and listen carefully. This is how you figure out which clip goes where and how long each scene needs to be. The voiceover is your map. Once you know the structure, drag your clips onto the timeline one by one and line them up against the voiceover. Trim or extend each clip until the visuals match what's being said. Don't overthink it. Rough alignment sounds professional once the voiceover is running over it. From there, add whatever finishing touches you want: transitions between clips, captions for accessibility, or background music at low volume underneath the voiceover. None of this is required. Even a basic cut with no extras will perform well if your content is strong. When you're happy with it, click Export in the top right corner. Your finished Claymation video will save to your device, ready to upload to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts.